front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then hit Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to delete and enter your current screen lock. Lastly, hit Delete next to Edit at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!